Hi, in front of me is REALME Q2 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live wallpaper called Shadow Galaxy. Firstly, open Play Store, then type Shadow Galaxy and download this app from this developer. Now open it, click Settings and customize your wallpaper. But I don't want to do anything, so I will just go back, click Open, choose Set As, and pick Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen by tapping on one of these options. Now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!